Regards, my personal information is the next. My name is Ana Patricia Huertas Bernal. I am 22 years old. I am from Umbita, Boyacá. I live with my good parents, my brother and my cousins in Tunja. I am a secretary in vertical design. I am studying Bachelor in Civil Pedagogy at UNAD in Tunja. My hobby is travel and listen to music. My favorite TV show is Cake Boss. My favorite food is the dessert. And my favorite sport is athletics. The describing my family is the next. There are 3 people in my family. My mother is Isabel Bernal. She is 15 years old. She is from Umbita, Boyacá. She is housewife. My mother is very nice and pretty. Her eyes are brown and she has black hair and long. My father is Jose Huertas. He is 49 years old. He is farmer. He is from Umbita, Boyacá, with my mom and my grandmother. My father is friendly and simple person. My brother is William Huertas. He is 20 years old. He is from Umbita. He is live in Tunja. He is a student of the public accounting at the University Antonio Nariño in Tunja. My brother is high. His eyes are black and brown skin. My family is the best. Give me. I love them. Thank you very much.